guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you one of my DIY project. It's simple and it's just covering old books, but I'm gonna show you how I do it because I want it to be something really flowery and something really like light colors that will match what I have in the house right now. So if you like this video about decorating, please keep on watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for any new uploads. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you so much. So let's get started. So you would need paper or wrapper of your choice. I'm using this printed scrapbooking pad that I got from Hobby Lobby, but you can also get this from Michael's store, and any paper that you like. So this has 100 leaves of different colors and designs, and you can use one leaf of paper for a small book and two leaves of paper or two leaves of paper pasted together or taped down for bigger books. You need old books, and I'm using these old books that I've read already more than once. So I like this paper designs with roses and pastel colors. So this is what I'm using and I've picked for these books. To start with, I'm using a small book so you can see that I'm using only one leaf of paper. So you just need to fold the paper over. And you can fold each side like the flap over and fold it. And you can use a scissors to cut the middle. You need to make two cuts. These cuts I'm talking about, you need to fold it in so that way you can cover the book properly. So I left a mark there to make sure that when I cut it, it leaves a mark and it's straight. And that cut there, I fold it inside. And then I cover the book. So you can use an adhesive tape or transparent tape to tape it down. So that way, the cover won't be moving. It will be tight and covered properly. So you need to smoothen out the cover and make sure that it looks pretty. So for bigger books, you need a bigger paper, so you can use two leaves and tape it down in the middle. And with the same step, you need to fold each side, cut in the middle with these two cuts and fold it in. So here I'm using a polka dot paper. So I'm showing you right now how to fold it in on each side. Flip each side of the paper and cover the book. So you need to do the same thing on the other side and tape it down with transparent tape. So since I'm covering a lot of books, you just need to see how it goes. I'm using different printed paper because I want all pastel colors and combine these different colors when I'm putting it on my shelf. So you can check each side and make sure that it's smoothened out and it's properly covered. The reason why you have to cut in the middle, so that way when you tape down the book, it's easier to open, because sometimes when you tape it down and it's too tight, it doesn't help in opening the book, like spreading it out. So using these different types of designs and colors will actually give a pop of color to my white shelf. That's why I'm using these designs. My shelf and my wall is white, and putting a pop of color will add beauty to it. Sometimes it's boring when you use only one tone of color, so putting more colors would make it look pretty. So I'm arranging it on my shelf and putting some ceramic decor together with it. And I hope you like this video, guys. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell. I have a playlist of all DIY and decor, so you can decorate with me by watching my videos. And thank you so much for watching. Peace and love to you all.